Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 29th of June 2012. US markets retreated overnight, but not before staging a powerful last gasp rally that almost erased the entire session's losses. Stocks had opened the night with sharp falls amid doubts over whether the EU summit would produce any tangible solutions to Europe's debt crisis. Traders were also disheartened by an upward revision to last week's US jobless claims figures, which offered further proof of the country's slowing economy. However, the losses were followed by a massive momentum shift that saw the Dow rally more than 150 points from its lows. The late optimism was fueled by reports EU leaders finally reached an agreement for a €120 billion package to stimulate the region's economies. There was a sea of red across most of the commodities, with oil suffering heavy declines on the back of poor US jobs data. Gold was off more than 1%, weighed down by a resurgent US dollar. Among the major currencies, the euro fell on concerns EU leaders were struggling to agree on ways to drive down soaring Spanish and Italian borrowing costs. Our dollar slipped against the greenback and is barely holding its ground above parity. It was a wild ride on the SPI overnight, with the index reaching a low near 39.80 before rebounding strongly up to a high of 40.20. Aussie shares are likely to begin the final trading day of the week on a negative note. SPI futures are currently pointing to a 10-point loss on the open.